Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Amazon Household step by step. If you've ever wanted to share your Amazon Prime shipping, Prime Video, Kindle books, or other benefits with family members, this feature is made for you. The best part is that everyone still keeps their own separate Amazon account, history, and recommendations. This guide is designed for complete beginners, so just follow along with me. Amazon Household is a feature that allows family members to link their accounts together under one household. It's mainly used to share digital content and Prime benefits without sharing login passwords. With Amazon Household, you can add one additional adult, up to 4 teens BART, up to 4 children. Each type of member has different permissions and controls, which we'll cover as we go. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you are logged into your main Amazon account. At the top of the page, hover over Accounts and Lists. From the drop-down menu, click Your Account. Scroll down until you see a section called Shopping Programs and Rentals. Here, click on Amazon Household. This will take you to the Household Management page where you can start adding members. If you want to share Prime benefits with your spouse or partner, choose Add Adult. Enter their name and email address, then click Continue. Amazon will send them an invitation email. They must accept the invite and sign in to their own Amazon account. Both adults must agree to share payment methods in order to share Prime benefits. Even though wallets are shared, personal order history and recommendations stay private. Next, you can add a teen profile. Click Add a Teen, then enter their name, date of birth, and email address. Teen accounts are useful because teens can shop on Amazon, but parents must approve purchases before payment is processed. This gives independence while still keeping spending under control. For younger kids, select Add a Child, enter their name and birthday, then save. Child profiles are designed for parental control. These are mainly used with Amazon Kids Plus for safe books, videos, and apps that are appropriate for children. Once members are added, click Manage Your Household. From here, you can control what benefits are shared. Options may include Prime shipping, Prime Video, Kindle content, apps, games, and more. You can adjust these settings anytime. There are a few important limits. You can only change the second adult once every 180 days. Both adults share payment methods. Each person still has separate recommendations, wish lists, and order history. That's it. You now know how to set up Amazon Household and share benefits the right way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.